Hello friends, here is a guide on how to fix a corrupt USB stick or hard drive and make it usable again. I have with me here a sample USB stick, and if I insert it into the system, I get this pop-up message about the state of the drive telling me to insert a disk into USB drive. I could choose to close out of this window, but if I try to access the drive or its contents, I get the same message. To fix this, we'll use the command prompt, and you can access command prompt from the start menu or use the shortcut Windows and Alt button and type in CMD. Next, you want to type in disk path, one word. From here, you want to type in list disk. This will give you a list of drives on this system. So I've got disk 0, which happens to be my system drive, disk 1, which is a backup drive, and disk 2 is the corrupt USB stick we're trying to fix. So next, you want to type in select disk 2. Next, you want to type in clean. Next, you want to type in create partition primary. As soon as that is done, you can choose to close out of this window. And when you try to access the drive, you can see it's accessible, but next you want to right click on it and click on format. From here you can see the capacity of the drive. For me it's 14.3 gigs. Next you want to choose the file format you want to format this drive to. So for me I want to choose NTFS. Next you can rename this drive. So I just want to call this free space. And you want to ensure that this quick format is highlighted, so click on start. To inform you that formatting will erase all the data on this drive. Since it's corrupt and I want to make it usable again, that is safe, so click on OK. And to do its thing. As soon as that is done, click on OK, and you can close out of this window. From here, you can see that the drive is looking healthy and accessible. To test this, I will just go ahead and copy a file into it. Just to test that the drive is okay, and we can put stuffs in it and save folders and files in it. Well, the transfer is complete and I can see the folder is in the drive. So I can choose to close out of this window and eject this drive. So if I insert the drive again, I can see it pops up and it automatically opens up, showing me the contents of the drive, which I just copied, and it's looking healthy. And that's it guys. If this video is helpful, give it a like and I'll see you in the next one.